What do you need now?
Yeah, keep your shirt on. I heard you. You see these ears? Whoa.
Hey, wait! Wait! Please wait for me! I'm about...
Never return.
I see what's going on here. You're in the pocket of big peanut butter and pickles. Ow! Is there any chance you could stamp some sort of universal healthcare law?
The point is, I'll be watching you.